Hey, Frank.
Yeah.
Hey, Bob. Hey, guess what?
Chicken butt.
we got. So I'm supposed to go down here.
Yeah.
We got an offer on that, one of my listings.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Dad.
So we just had a physical inspection, and I want you to tell me what is the disadvantage of a buyer asking for credits or repairs.
Well, okay, so if a buyer comes and starts nitpicking about stuff that's not substantial,
What do you mean by substantial? Like, what would that mean?
well, there's 5 or 6 major things. So, like, if you go and have this physical inspection, what you're worried about are things like foundation, roof, electrical, heating, cooling, things like that.
Yeah.
If you're upset because your inspector, who's supposed to find every little thing, and to scare you because, you know, he's got liability if he doesn't point out every little thing. If, say, for example, you want all of the outlets replaced because, you know, they're dated or something like that, then that's nitpicky. That's something that doesn't cost you a lot of money, but it doesn't need to be done. But now, if you go in and the roof has a big hole in it and you found out there's a big leak, well, yeah, sure, you should ask for some repairs. But you don't want to tick the sealer off after you've already negotiated a price down.
Great point.
Okay.
Great point. I'm glad you answered that.
I was a little long-winded. Maybe you should answer it again.
I thought so.
Okay, well, do it again if you want me to.
Okay, great.
I got a lot to say about it.